She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing another hair blend request. So Ava Babe requested to blend yellow, red, and blue. So that's what we're doing here. And let me just tell y'all, when I be seeing y'all's blend requests, to be honest, I don't really put too much thought into what the blend will look like as an end result. I just look and see, what blend have I not already done? So that was what I did with this request. I was like, okay, I haven't done these colors together. But y'all, when I put these colors together, immediately I was like, oh, this reminds me of Crayola. And then when I started blending, I was like, whoa. So y'all the real MVP, and then y'all be under my comments like, oh my gosh, you're so creative. No, that's y'all. That is all y'all. Props to y'all. So I told myself, I said, I'm have to start giving you guys recognition. So I will start saying your name in your, as I mentioned in your request. If you don't want me to mention your name, just send me a message through Instagram. My Instagram is @braids_by_diamond. So I definitely wanted to give you guys props because baby, these blends, these blends really got me hyped and excited. I love the turnout of this one. I absolutely loved it. So it's definitely at the top of my favorite blends. So another thing I love about this blend is this one is an ombre blend. So the red, as you seen earlier, is much shorter in length than the blue and the yellow. So it gave it that ombre effect. When you see it at the end, you'll see that the red pretty much fades and it just goes into, it'll look like a green, right? Because that yellow and blue was much longer. Look at how pretty that is already, and that's not even the end result. So exciting. I love this. Anyway, so let me quit yapping and allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, then you don't know, but stick around at the end and I'll be showing you guys what the blend looks like as a braid. Also in this one, I'm showing you guys what it looks like as a twist. If you're new here and you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you're returning and you have not hit subscribe, be sure to hit subscribe because you are back and there's obviously something you like about this, right? So hit subscribe. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment below what your thoughts are on this blend. I absolutely love it, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy and talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.